When you open up your Google Drive, it now defaults to the new home page. This home page shows you files that Drive thinks you'll want to use. It's based on a variety of criteria like when you last edited an item, opened it, uploaded it, if somebody just shared a document with you, sometimes a document that's attached to a calendar. So basically it's the suggestions of things that it thinks that you need to be using right now. Some people don't necessarily like having their default be to this home page. They would prefer to have it be to their Drive. So you can come up to the settings icon in the upper right hand corner and click on settings. And then you will see right here, start page. You can choose then to have it be my Drive. So then when you go to open up your Google Drive, now it will default back to your Drive versus the home page. And again, if you want to change that, you would just click on those settings, open that up again, and go back to the home. While you are in this settings section, you might want to check out some of the other features, like just right here at the top, your storage. You can click on manage storage to see exactly where you are using your space, the appearance of your Drive, opening PDFs. Do you want them to open in a new tab or preview them right in the current tab you're in? When you're uploading Microsoft files, do you want them to automatically convert to Google files? Then just continue to scroll down about looking at working offline, the preview cards, that's another one. So just look through these options to see if there's anything that you want to change. Remember, there is no save button. Whatever you choose, once you close this window, it is automatically saved as a new feature, and you would just come back in to that settings again, the little icon in the upper right hand corner, if you wanted to make any changes or change things back. So again, this home page will show you suggested folders at the top, files down here. If you do like this home page but don't necessarily like the files that are specifically here, you can click on the three dots next to them or over here by the files, and then you can choose not a helpful suggestion, and it will remove that from your home page. Keep in mind, it might reappear here in the future, just because if it is a document that you open every single day, Google Drive, the algorithms think, this might be one that you want to get to each time. So that's a little bit about this new home page and how you can change the default setting back to My Drive.